status report on the Nova C moon mission, developed by Intuitive Machines and launched by SpaceX. SpaceX successfully launched Intuitive Machines' first robotic flight to the moon on February 15, 2024. The liftoff occurred at 1:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Under clear skies, the Falcon 9 rose, then headed east. The B-1060 served as the first stage on its 18th flight, and as we all know, the Falcon 9 series is reusable, powered by RP-1 and liquid oxygen. Nova C required LC-39A, as it is the only pad that is equipped to load methane, or LOX, which is used to power the lander's engine close to flight. This procedure started 2.5 hours before launch and was completed before the countdown timeline arrived at Falcon 9 fueling, an attempt that the previous night had been called off due to methane temperature issues. Stage separation occurred a bit past 2 minutes after launch. As the second stage ignited its lone engine moments later, the first stage performed a flip maneuver, then a boost back burn. 6 minutes after launch, grid fins and cold gas thrusters aligned to the descending stage. 3 engines ignited for the entry burn, and this began to slow down the rocket as it lowered to Cape CSFS. Aligned with LZ-1, the landing burn allowed B-1060 to gently touch down on the concrete pad, as another booster, B-1078, stood nearby after its return 7 hours before. Moments later, a double sonic boom spread across the local area. The second stage performed a second burn after a coast phase. Separation of Nova C occurred 48 minutes after launch, sending the moon lander on a direct lunar trajectory. The spent stage performs adjustments to line it up with entry and burn over the Pacific Ocean. As part of NASA's Commercial Lunar Payload Services initiative, the Nova C lander carries devices to study plume surface interactions, radio astronomy, precision landing technologies, and a node for future autonomous navigation. The CLPS model for lunar payloads centers around low-cost methods for moon deliveries balanced with higher success risks. Nova C established communications with ground controllers on schedule. The spacecraft will take approximately 8 days to reach the moon, targeting a landing zone that is near the lunar South Pole on February the 22nd. In conclusion, this mission was a great success, as Intuitive Machines and SpaceX have once again proven that the sky is not the limit. They are literally going to the moon. And let us wish Intuitive Machines the best of luck as the mission deploys further. This is a very special point in history as mankind is expanding its reach to interstellar space, to the moon and beyond. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.